So we're back at the Great New York State Fair 2018. We're featuring all of our beautiful flatware patterns at 20% off this year. If you stop on by, it's in the horticulture building, right by the potato booth. We're featuring 3 new patterns since last year: our flame pattern, our nautical pattern, and also our Celtic pattern. So come on by and take advantage of 20% off. From now until Labor Day, we'll be offering it right here at the Great New York State Fair. Also a new addition at the State Fair this year, Liberty Tabletop is proud to offer our line of 360 cookware and also our dinnerware, which is from Clinton Pottery in Clinton, New York, and from HF Coors in Tucson, Arizona. So Liberty Tabletop is also happy to say that we are looking to expand our team. Stop on down at the fair and find out more information, or give us a call at Share Manufacturing and Liberty Tabletop, the only flatware made in the United States.
Look at the new pattern, how beautiful it is. Ow, that's hot!